Good evening. My name is Jia. I'm a student at National Louis University. Welcome to this presentation on recommending macOS and Mac Studio for Epsilon. We'll explore why macOS is an ideal fit for Epsilon's creative and technical needs, and how Mac Studio can serve as the perfect server solution. First, I want to introduce Epsilon. It is founded in 1969. It has over 8,000 employees globally. It has more than 600 employees in Chicago. It has 40 offices worldwide. Its headquarters is in Dallas, Texas. In 2019, it is acquired by Publicis Group. It's a French multinational advertising company. There are many applications used at Epsilon daily. For example, it uses Zoom, BlueJeans, Slack for communication. The developer team, they use VS Code, IntelliJ IDEA. It also uses cloud services such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Before we dive into the details of macOS, I want to introduce the history of macOS. So, in 1984, System 1 is released. It made the graphic user interface concept popular everywhere. In 2001, macOS X is introduced. It's Unix-based system. It has improved security and stability. In 2016, it is rebranded as macOS with introduction of Siri and has enhanced continuity features. This year, macOS Sequoia is released, featuring Apple Intelligence with focus on privacy and security. So why macOS? In a nutshell, because it can host many creative tools and has developer kits and has outstanding security and stability. In details, macOS is ideal for creative professionals because it has optimized performance for Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. It also has seamless integration with Final Cut Pro for video production. Also, it has excellent support for Figma and Canva and the other designer tools. On the other hand, a macOS is ideal for developers because it has Unix-based command line interface. It has developer tools including Xcode, Swift, macOS software development kit. It also has seamless integration with other Apple devices and services. macOS also have unique security features such as Xprotect, Gatekeeper, system integrity protection, and sandboxing. Now I want to introduce Mac Studio as a server. It has powerful M2 Ultra chip for high performance computing with 24 CPU cores, 76 GPU cores, with 128 gigabytes RAM and 8 terabyte storage. You might wonder, PCs are probably a lot more common for using as a server. However, recently, actually, there are a lot more companies like Fortune 500 companies start using Mac computers exclusively as data center. They actually companies provide customer services to building data centers only using Mac computers. So this is table compare Mac Studio, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro as server. So as you can see, Mac Mini is the cheapest. However, it has also provide the lowest computing power too. On the other hand, Mac Pro is a lot more powerful. However, it's very large and it's very expensive. In my opinion, Mac Studio it has provide the best value regarding its cost, but its computing power is still very excellent, and it has great expandability too. Mac Studio is very good for data processing, such as handle large dataset for in-depth analysis. It can run complex machine learning algorithms efficiently. It also offers low latency, responsive performance. Mac Studio and macOS work together. It will work seamlessly under Apple ecosystem. It is also optimized for macOS native tools like Xcode and Swift. It also has excellent performance for video and audio editing tasks too, which is probably very common for Epsilon. Additionally, Mac Studio offer unique security features such as Security Enclave. It is hardware-based encryption for sensitive data and cryptographic operation. It also has File Vault. It is end-to-end encryption. It can protect data even if the machine is compromised. In conclusion, I want to recommend macOS and Mac Studio for Epsilon because it can it's a wonderful for it will provide wonderful work experience for creative and technical teams. Also have very strong computing power and has outstanding security and reliability too. Thank you so much for your time. Please contact my email if you have questions. Goodbye.